Renee. This is
Tommy.
And we taught the class on Saturday night in Sarasota, and we're going to do a quick review for you. The first thing that we talked about was a technique item, and we're going to demonstrate the wrong way first.
We're going to do 3 patterns.
1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So the technique piece that we left out is eye contact. So we're going to do the exact same 3 patterns. We're not going to fancy them up at all, but we're going to be looking at each other. There you go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. So if you look at the 2 and compare them, the second one should look better than the first one because we're making eye contact. Not only does it look better, but it dances better. You dance better with your partner. Okay, then we taught, the patterns that we taught all revolved around outside turns. So Tommy's going to take us through some of those and explain which ones we're doing and how we're doing them.
We did a single outside turn to set this up, or double outside. So a single outside turn looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. A double outside turn looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. And it works really well when you keep your eye on your partner. She's spotting me, and I'm keeping my eye on her in case she should have a little bobble or something. And we built off of this by doing the following pattern. We went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So let us slow that down for you and explain it. Guys, we always go back on 1. We go back on 1 and rotate our hands going in this direction here. That's what helps stop her, but she's also paying attention, and she's not thinking about this hand going up overhead. She's not taking overhead because she's paying attention to what's going on. I stop her here. We hold 3. I step 4, 5, and 6. We'll give it to you full speed again. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Yes?
Girls can either triple at the end or just drag the foot in. It does not make
Okay, we'll let Renee show you how you drag the foot in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, from that we built onto that with an underarm turn to get a hand change. So we get a hand change in this position here. It's going to be a very similar, let me put it on this side. It's going to be a very similar feel. I'm going to go back on my 1. I'm going to spam 2. I'm looking for a hand here for 2. On 3, we're going to hold 3, step 4, 5, and 6. Let me give it to you full speed. It looks like this. 1, 2, hold 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now, we also built on this and turned into an 8-count pattern with something a little bit of fun. And it allowed us to also use a technique or some styling with some lines. I'm going to go through it fast the first time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So we'll walk you through that. And what we're doing is we're getting this hand underneath again. We're going to go back on that 1. We're rotating her for 2. We're making contact with that hand on 2. And we're going here for 3. Drop that hand over for 4. Bring it back here for 5. And we can go 6, 7, and 8. Going to do the count to do this too. Here we go again. It goes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
And same thing, the triple for the lady is optional. Do it, don't do it, doesn't make any difference.
But there's lots of fun with this pattern though, because as the first part of this we showed you with the right to right, and we go back on 1, 2, I've got all kinds of options here. I can throw the hand up, I can walk it out. So this is a lot of fun, and it's a way to slow the dance down. Because all these patterns we just taught was about taking patterns we know, stopping, walking it out. That's called scrolling. Same thing with the right to right. We walk back, we stop her, and we walk it out. So it slows the dance down. We're killing a beat in there.
So what we didn't have a chance to do last night is show you how you can dance all of those together in a little amalgamation, a 32-count amalgamation. So we're going to basically dance one of the outsides and then an underarm turn with a hand change. Then another one of the outsides starting a right to right, then a plain underarm turn with no hand change, and then finally the extension at the end.
Here we go.
Starts in left to right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, underarm. 1, 2, hand change 3 and 4, 5, and 6. Underarm 1, 2, sorry, 3, 4, say the wrong thing. Underarm now, 1, 2, no hand change, 5. Now comes the extension. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So that's 32 counts altogether. Anything else?
No, but just notice that, take one of this last piece, we didn't talk a lot about it. Look at the lines we hit on this. Look at our legs and watch the nice line. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice the lines, 5, 6, 7, and 8.
Anything else?
That'll do it.
Okay.
You can contact Renee and I at gibbstraining@aol.com, and Renee's email address is renee@lipman.com.
Net. Renee@lipman.net.
Oh, excuse me, .net, excuse me. I know what you're saying, lipman.net.
Yes.
Thanks for coming Saturday night.
Thank you.